Hello guys, welcomes to all of you in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about relation or family members name in Hindi and English. So let's start. M O T H E R Mother. Mother means ma. Mother means mata. S I S T E R Sister. Sister means bahan. F A T H E R Father. Father means pita. Father means papa. U N C L E Uncle. Uncle means chacha. Uncle means mama. Uncle means mausa. S O N. Son means beta. A U N T. Aunt. Aunt means chachi. Aunt means bua. Aunt means mausi. D A U G H T E R. Daughter means beti. S U S B A N D. हस्बैंड. फिर से बोलो H U S B A N D. हस्बैंड. हस्बैंड मीन्स पति. B R O T H E R. ब्रदर. ब्रदर मीन्स भाई. W I F E वाइफ. वाइफ मीन्स पत्नी. S I B L I N G S. सिबलिंग्स. सिबलिंग मीन्स भाई बहन. G R A N D M O T H E R. Grandmother. Grandmother means दादी. G R A N D M A. Grandma. Grandma means दादी. C O U S I N S. Cousins. Cousin means चचेरे भाई बहन. G R A N D F A T H E R. Grandfather. Grandfather means nana. E N D E R. Elder. B R O brother. Elder brother means बड़ा भाई. M A T E R N A L. Maternal. G R A N D E H E R. Grandmother. Maternal grandmother. Miss Nani. बोलो Y O U N G E R. Younger. B R O T H E R. Brother. Younger brother. Younger brother means छोटा भाई. G R A N D. Grand. S O N. Son. Grandson. Grandson means पोता. Y O U N G E R. Younger. S I S T E R. Sister. Younger sister. Younger sister means छोटी बहन. बोलो G R A N D. Grand. D A U G H T E R. Daughter. Granddaughter. Granddaughter means पोती. S O N. Son. I N. In. L A W. Law. Son-in-law means दामाद. G R A N D F A T H E R. Grandfather. Grandfather means दादा. G R A N D P A. Grandpa. Grandpa means दादा. D A U G H T E R. Daughter. I N In L A W. Law. Daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law means पुत्र बधू. S I S T E R. Sister. I N In L A W. Law. Sister-in-law means साली. Sister-in-law means ननद. B R O T H E R. Brother. I N In L A W. Law. Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law means साला. N E P H E W. Nephew. Nephew means भतीजी या भतीजा. N I E C E. Niece. Niece means भांजा या फिर niece means भांजी. F I A N C E. Finance. O R. Or. F I N C E. Fancy means मंगेतर. H U S B A N D. Post office. Husbands. E L D E R. Elder. B R O T H E R. Brother. Husband's elder brother means date. H U S B A N D. Post office. Husband's Y O U N G E R. Younger. B R O T H E R. Husband's younger brother means devar. E L D E R. Elder. B R O T H E R. Post office. Brothers. W I F E. Wife. Elder brother's wife means भाभी. S P O U S E. Spouse. Spouse means जीवन साथी. M O T H E R. Mother. I N L A W law. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law means saas. F A T H E R. Father. I N L A W law. Father-in-law. Father-in-law means ससुर. S T E P. Step. B R O T H E R. Step brother. Step brother means सौतेला भाई. S T E P. Step. S I S T E R. Step sister. Step sister means सौतेली बहन. S T E P. Step. M O T H E R. Mother. Step mother. Step mother means सौतेली माँ. S T E P. Step. F A T H E R. Father. Step father. Step father means सौतेला पिता. S T E P. Step. S O N. Son. Step son. Step son means सौतेला बेटा. S T E P. Step. D A U G H T E R. Daughter. Step daughter. Step daughter means सौतेली बेटी. R E L A T I B E S. Relatives. Relatives means रिश्तेदार. ADO PTED adapted means गोद लिया हुआ। FRIENDS friends means दोस्त। LOVER lover means प्रेमी। GIRLFRIEND girlfriend means प्रेमिका। BOYFRIEND boyfriend means प्रेमी। NEIGHBOUR never means पड़ोसी। LAND land LORD landlord means मकान मालिक। TENANT tenant means किराएदार। तो गाइस इतना ही था हमारा रिलेशन और फैमिली मेंबर्स नेम, जो कि हमने हिंदी और इंग्लिश में पढ़े और आप भी हमारे साथ पढ़े। तो हमारे वीडियो देखने के लिए आपको धन्यवाद गाइज। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब मेरी चैनल। फिर से हम आएंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए बेसिक चीज़ों को लेकर। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, थैंक यू।